Hi YouTube, today we are doing some trades and also, well, let's just have some fun. So let's ask one person, and we're also doing shoutouts. But in my last video I said there was bad news. I didn't get to say it because my timer is running out. The bad news was that I have a hater, but ignore the haters, yeah. And yeah, let's just do some trading. Let's ask this lovely girl here. Oh, I'm on AppSauce. KK, I actually asked her because I did a video and it didn't turn out well, so yeah. Let's ask this girl here. She looks nice. Oops. Okay, the name is... Okay, I guess I'll do it with her. Hi. Wishy for... Wishy? For YouTube. Yay. Let's just quickly go on here, go on there. Let's get me some hair. I actually have a hair, but then, yeah, it didn't turn out well, so. And guys, I don't mind giving that away, even though I know it's a D-pack. I will be giving that away if you want, guys. I'm also doing an account giveaway, so I'm going to create account. Because I forgot to mention, we are also doing the rare thing. Apparently people are getting rares. So yeah, no one seems to want to trade right now, so we'll do that at the end of the video. Right now, let's do, what was I going to say? Let's do the rare thing. So I'm going to create a new account real quick. And then we can, like, get started. Sadly, I don't have a dripping, but hey ho. Make sure you guys subscribe as well, because I'm doing this for you. Let's create an account. Right, I don't really care how it looks, because we're going to be getting rares. So, yeah. Okay, done. The name will be Style 360. How do I spell that? 360. And the password, guys, is going to be LOL123. And the other password, LOL123. There we go. So guys, if you want that account, just, yeah, you're going to have to be one of the first ones to get the account. So yeah, let's log in. We only have we have quite a lot of time, but yes, I will be uploading every day. Well, most of the days. Oh, wow, that my ears. Wow, you're sure. She used the car wheel? Weird. Come on. Let's just open all these gifts up. Oops, won't open. Open this gift, of course. Oh, of course. Okay. By the way, my picture, can I show you how to be friends? I don't really like Pixie Star, but yeah. Wow, I've already got... Did you just see that? It was at 400 and it turned to... That's such a mean. Okay, so let's do this. So no rares so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my account. What people do here is they send around one rare. This may take a long time, but it's better than nothing. So, Oh no, I've just forgotten something. We're gonna have to go on my other account, guys, because you need to be on level 6 to gift people. So I'm gonna go on my other account. Sorry, guys. But yeah, you can have that account if you want. Oh, load. So my other account, my backup account, which I share with, with 3 of my friends. 2 of my friends, I mean. And yes, we're sharing that one. So yes, and it's called Ruby G Mason, which I will not be giving away that account, because that's our precious account, our friendship account. So Ruby G Mason, because my real name isn't Lillian, it's Ruby. Okay, there we go. The password's in. If you have any video ideas, please say them down in the comments, or anything you want to say, just say it. I don't mind. So, add my main Lillian Bloom, YouTube, Ruby Plays MSP. So, what I'm going to do here is, it's harder to level up because I'm on that. But yes, let's go do this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, oh my goodness, I have to log out again. What is my problem? Actually, yeah, I do have to log out, sorry. We will have to make a part 2, I'm warning you guys. You have 9 minutes to record. And, remember to smack that subscribe button. Okay, let's go on Lillian Bloom, my main. No one knows the password to that set for my friend, but then she doesn't go on it anymore because I said not to. Fluffy. Floggy. Okay, guys, Floggy. Floggy. Okay, guys. I can't do this. I can't. I'm just released my password. I'll change it. Okay, so guys, I have just said my password, so I'm gonna change the password. Let me just, oh no, where's my mouse gone? I'm gonna have to tap the screens. There. What have I done? Rules, I don't want your rules, Percy. Change password. Ow. I understand. My old password. Oops. My new password. What? I'm sure I did. Maybe that works. I'm so sorry, guys. This is really annoying me right now. That should do it. Oh my god. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, it's changed. So let's do some trading now before the thing ends. Oops. Wrong person. Let's trade with this girl. Wishy for YouTube. Oh guys, comment down below if you want to see my brother play some MSP. So say yes or no, and you have to tell me a reason why. The most yeses or the most no's wins. She's obviously not going to reply, is she? That's annoying. I'm just going to ask for a trade. I've had enough of Arties. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Let's watch this girl. She looks like she has lots of res. Well, she was a bit rude. That was very rude, actually. Oh my god. No! That's rude. Trade. What? Someone texted me. Who texted me? Who texted me? Someone texted me. Who texted me? Who texted me? Alright, what did she say?
Huh? Yeah, I don't know the rules, and I know they get given some. I thought they had to.
What level is she on? That was my brother. Oh my goodness. 2 seconds, guys. Let me just say, are you recording? Yeah. So let's trade. The 2 minutes left to trade. Let's do system. You know, guys, system is the way which no one can scam. Well, that's what I think. I've been scammed quite a lot, but I've been scammed for my ultra rare dress. And that really upset me. So don't do that, please. Let's send her this big thing here. Trade. The whole outfit. Oh. Oops. Too late. What did she say? What did she say? What did she say? What did she say? Can we trade now? Okay. I mean, what's wrong with it? Too late. I'm sorry. Too late. I already sent. Already sent. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a part 2. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and please like. And guys, please comment down what did you think of this video, if my brother should play MSP more with me. The most yeses wins. The most no's wins. What did she just say? Did she just say? First what? I thought she called me fat for a minute. Oh, I'm gonna have to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.